At Samsung, we believe it's always possible to make improvements, even for your favorite products. Because innovation shouldn't stop when a product or experience is good. We should aspire to make things better. Our consumers expect no less, especially our Fold users. Across the industry, people have come to expect reliable water resistance from their smartphones. So naturally, it was also expected on our Fold. But making the Fold water resistant wasn't easy. Unlike bar-type smartphones, the Fold is made of 3 parts, 2 bodies and a hinge. The bodies can be protected from water using the same method as a standard smartphone, but protecting the hinge was a unique challenge. Every time the Fold is opened or closed, water can seep in and cause damage. Our designers and engineers used corrosion-resistant material finished with long-lasting grease to protect the hinge from rusting or corroding. Then, to protect the main board from shorting out due to water, we used rubber and CIPG. These materials seal the gap between the connecting ends of the flexible printed circuit board, shielding critical parts that are vulnerable to water exposure.
Ah yes, with these solutions, our latest Galaxy Z series is water resistant. However,
our Fold users wanted more.
An S Pen
that would let them take full advantage of the Fold's spacious screen. But bringing the S Pen to the Z Fold 3 required some serious innovation. The S Pen experience actually starts with the display. The digitizer inside the display works with the S Pen to create EMR, or electromagnetic resonance, which detects the coordinates of what you're writing or drawing and shows it on screen. EMR S Pen technology for hard displays has been around for more than 10 years. But positioning a digitizer under a flexible screen posed an entirely new challenge, as it could be damaged from folding and unfolding over time. Our developers researched and experimented for years to create a digitizer for the Fold, building prototype after prototype. But it wasn't easy. To create a truly exceptional Fold and S Pen experience, our developers needed to think outside the box. Finally, we came up with a revolutionary solution. Instead of looking for a way to increase the flexibility of the folding area of the digitizer, our developers decided to use separate digitizers on each side of the folding area. Working together with Wacom, we developed a way to connect 2 separate digitizers so that they operate as a single panel. To support this new form, a new algorithm was created to calculate signals from both digitizers, so they could recognize coordinates in the folding area while minimizing errors. Through meticulous craftsmanship and research, we were able to create the first ever digitizer for a foldable display, compatible with an S Pen. But the digitizer is only half the story. We needed to develop an S Pen that is safe to use with our flexible display. The S Pen Fold Edition is designed with a new rubber nib that's rounded and soft to the touch. We also added an internal spring to act as a shock absorber, automatically reacting to pen pressure. So it smooths and softens any excessive pressure on the tip of the pen. We also increased the display's responsiveness to the S Pen by 40% to give consumers a smooth and steady handwriting experience. Consumers can work and play in all new ways, thanks to the S Pen for the Galaxy Z Fold 3, like taking notes while watching a video or writing in your diary. We also partnered with Microsoft to make it easier to collaborate on projects with classmates and colleagues. In Microsoft Teams, users can enjoy video calls and share documents easily. And now, with the virtual whiteboard designed for the Fold and the S Pen, they can brainstorm, share, and develop ideas. The drive and dedication of Samsung's engineers make these enhancements to the foldable experience possible. And our community of consumers keeps the experience evolving.